Welcome to TechEJ YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the Linux basic command. Basically, these commands are very essential, are very useful in daily activity. So these commands include like ls command, pwd command, cd command, man command, date command, cal, touch, cat, rm, vi is also known as vim. Okay, and nano, mkdir, rmdir, cp, more, less, head, tail, ec, ps, wc, kill, short, top, chmod, grep. So these are the command which we basically as a system administrator we use on daily basis. Okay, so very good knowledge of this command is required to become a good admin. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start our video. So first command will be our like ls command. Here you can see that. So ls command have many uh, many options. Okay, you can use it for your need. Okay, so let's go on our machine. So this is my RHEL9 machine. You can practice the same command on any Linux operating system. Okay. Also not only on Linux, you can also practice most of the command on any Unix-based operating system because these are the basics. Okay. So just go here, and first command is the first command, which is the ls command. So what this ls command do? The ls command do basically list the current directory and file list the files or directory present in current location. Okay, so how what is the current location? Like here you can use the pwd command to know your present working directory. Okay, so here like my root/root is the present working directory, so it's list the current directory. ls command listed the current directory and files of this directory. Okay, this root directory. Okay, so ls command have I already tell many options. So what we can do, just you have to use ls hyphen l. ls command and ls hyphen l command have basically same output. Okay, so if you want to see the some hidden files which are present in the current directory, so you can use the la a attribute. Okay, so like in this manner it basically listed the all the hidden directory. Also like there are many hidden files here which are the user's profile related, which contain the user profile data like bash profile, bash logout, bash history, bash rc, cache rc list. So there are many hidden files are here. It will not just show with the normal ls command or normal ls-l command. Okay, so only difference between the ls and ls-l command is that here both commands are same, give the same output, but ls-l command also show the permission and group ownership and user ownership also, and the creation time of these files. Okay, so one more thing, I just show how you can able to read the how you are able to see the hidden files also by using ls commands. If you want to just see one more thing, you can use the if you want to see the size also, so you can use the t, and if you want to see it in human readable form, then you can use the LTH. H is stand for human readable form. So it will show the all the file or directory size in human readable form. So just use this command, and now you are able to see like more or less you are not able to see any differences in those output. But here you can say that It's basically representing the total size like 4.0k. Okay, but here you can see that it's not in human readable form. It's just so 4. So these are the simple differences between those command output. But if you have some file of any size and like I copy the etc directory to here, so it's basically root. So just I copied the etc to root. What is saying? Okay. Like cp command, by using the cp command you can copy that any directory or any file. Okay, this is a directory which contain the mm, many files, so we are using the -r option for specifying it recursively, and this will the source which we are going to copy, and this is the our destination. So like it will copy. So now you can just use the -hyphen LTH and R also. So here you can see that now this time what you get here, you get 16k. It means total size of our all files is 60k, and here etc has the 8 KB size. Why etc just 8 KB? It's showing just 8k. It means it's just copy the link like this, but I have to see that why this is saving. So one more command is here, like if you want to see the size of any file, so you can just use the tu command followed by -sh. It means I have to see the size and also in human readable form. So just you have to specify that, not I want to just use etc. It's in 29 MB. But here, as you see, it's showing only 8.0 KB. So why it's showing just 8.0 KB? Okay. If you are able to give the answer, then it's good. But here you can see this parameter also you have to consider. Okay. So just uh, do an R&D and comment below why you are not able to see. Although I just gave the hint why it's showing this. Okay. So just like I say, I show the du command for seeing the size, actual size of any file. Like here, sometimes you are not able to see the actual file size. Why you are not able to see the actual size? You have to search answer from your side. Okay, I just given the hint. So now just we know about the cp command, du command, and okay, ls command. Like if you want to see the attribute of a directory like directory itself, then what you can use that, you have to use the d parameter here. D is stand for directory. Okay, so d parameter, and also like here I want to see the size of etc. Okay, sorry, not the size of etc, just I want to see the attribute of etc directory. So it shows the read write execute is applicable on directory. Okay. One more thing, like here you can notice that here D is present, D is present at leftmost mm, value. Okay, it's representing basically this is a directory. Okay, but when you see for a file, D is not present here. Okay, so D is present here directory, and this is for read write execute permission for user, and this is for just read and execute permission for group owners. Like here root is the owner of this file, so read write execute permission will apply for root, and also group owner of this file, this directory is root. Okay, so here read and execute permission is applied on members of root, and also read and execute permission is applied for other members. And here this dot denotes we did not have any special permission applied on it. Okay, so here if we it convert into the plus symbol, then it will denote the, it means you have some uh, advanced permission applied on that directory or file. Okay, so now just we see the use of d. It basically d parameter denotes for directory, and here it gave the basically permission of the only directory. Like if you don't use the this d, then what you are able to see. If you did not use this d parameter, it shows the all the content of etc, all the content permission of etc directory. Okay, it not shows the just for etc. So if you want to just show for etc permissions and attributes, so just you have to use the d parameter here. Okay, so these are the most useful ls command options. Okay, ls command also have some more options, like here you can see that I will go l a also t and r. Okay, you can also use the r for just reversing the order of your output. Like here, just go vm, and like here you can reverse the order. Like if you see the ls-l command output, then its order is different, and if you see the output of ls-lr, it means now this time it's give the output in reverse order. Okay, like you can see that here video g in previous command video is in bottom, but here uh, in this output video is on top, so it's just reverse the order. Okay, okay, one two or more important thing is also here in ls command. Okay, like here you can see that hyphen, by using hyphen capital S, you are able to sort files and directories by their size. Okay, so basically by default it will just uh, show the largest one first. Okay, so let's do it. So here, like if you use the, so here you can see that here etc is the largest one. Okay, so that's why it's come at top. Okay, so these are the basic sorting tricks which you can follow. And then here you can see that we have an option of hyphen r, by which we can also list file and directory recursively, including the subdirectories. Okay, so here we will also see this option, and this will be the, I think, last option of ls command. So ls command also have many options, but these are the some useful that I am explaining here. So now you can just what you can use the hyphen l and h here. Okay, not r. So now this time output goes into very deep. So it's basically also stored the sub directories present in the directories. Okay, that are in current directory. So this command is very rarely used. So just I am moving to the next command. Okay, guys, next command we are going to see, you can use the cd command here for changing the directory. So cd is stand for change directory. Okay, as you already aware with this command, but here just this is the basic part. So I am saying, like here by using this, you just come with one directory list. Okay, so like here, if you use the pwd command, now you just come to the root, and by using cd, like if you want to change the directory to root, So you can just specify it, and now you can see the output of pwd. Just we change our directory to the root directory. Okay, and here one more important thing is like you can directly go to that. Like here, I just go to the root by just specifying the complete path. Like here, if you want to just go to the here, just I want to go to the home store. Okay, so here you can just after specifying the directly the your destination directory, you can just change your directory. Okay, like here just you can use this for changing it to the your home directory. Okay, so that's it. You can just use this symbol for just going to your actual home directory. So here just if you see the output of pwd, now you are in your now you are in root's home directory. Okay, so if so this command is also very useful when you want to when you are working somewhere else, and if you directly move on to the you directly want to move on your home directory for current user, then you can use this command. Okay. Also some variation are also available of this command. Now more we are moving to our next command, which will be the man command. Like you can just man the any command to read the manual of that command. Okay, like here, if you just did not know about the cal command, though, then you can just use the man cal, and you are able to see the all the name. Like here is cal command is used for displaying a calendar, and also you will get the description like cal display a simple calendar if no argument are specified the current month is displayed. Okay, like here is cal command also have options, so you can use the cal -h command for knowing those options. Like here you can see that here option are also there, like -1 display the single month output. This is the default. Okay, and with -3 or -3 you can display 3 months spanning the date. Okay, so these are the just thing you can just read about it, but just I am covering it. Okay, so just you can use the q for quitting the manual. Okay, so now just this is the cal command. This is the basic cal command by which you are able to see the calendar, but here you can also able to specify the month. Able to specify month or just you can specify also as span, like from which date from on which date to which date you want to see the calendar. Okay, so just I am not going into deep because it's a very rarely used. I am just showing you can also use that command. Okay, so I will just going to cover in depth those commands which are used in day-to-day activity. Like mostly you will use the touch command for creating the file. Like here by using touch command, you are able to create file. Like you can also use the operators here. Like here touch, you can use the dot dot and you can specify the type. Like I want to just create the five files, which name will be the like here it gave the name file1 to file5. It basically create this file in current directory. Okay, now you can just ls here. Now you can see that we just created the file1, file2, file3, file4, and file5. And here you can also use the basic syntax of touch command, which is the touch and f1. So it will create a file with name f1. Okay, so this is by using touch command you are able to create file, and also it support many syntaxes, but these two are most widely used, so that's why I am just showing these two. Like if you want to just create the two file, Then here just you are able to specify like file 11 and file 12. Okay, in this manner you are also able to create. So there are many variations, but which are mostly I am just showing those options which are mostly used with the touch command. Okay. Also, if you want to delete it, then you can use the rm command for deleting. Like here, just I want to delete file one, then I just say remove regular file empty file. Just you have to type yes here and enter. Now you can see that file one will be deleted. File one is deleted from here. Okay. In the same manner, if you just want to delete all files, so what you can use that rm, you can use the rm command for deleting file. And also here, like I just want to delete all the files, so here you can use the file history. Okay, just say yes. Okay, so one more thing, like here, just it's asking every time for your interaction, like you have to do yes. But what if you don't want to do yes yes every time? So just you can specify the capture meter there. And also like here you can see the options present in rm command by using the main rm. Okay, like I already tell you the main command of sorry main command, so that you are able to read all the options. Like here just hyphen f is used for the force hyphen I prompt before removal. By default hyphen I option is enabled. So if you want to just prompt once time for removing more than three files, then you can use the hyphen I. Okay. So this is the here. If you want to just delete a directory, then you can specify the hyphen R, and hyphen D is used for removing the empty directory. Okay. D is for verbose, and all these options are here. Okay. So just quit by using the Q. So just you can use those options. So I just like if I want to delete the etc which I copied, then if you just want to delete it in simple manner like okay sorry, so just I am showing you, so it's not able to remove. So it's saying rm cannot remove etc which a directory. So I you have to use to you have to use the here hyphen r for recursorly hyphen small or capital R, both are same here. So you have to use this. Like here I given this rm hyphen r etc. So just is asking for descent into directory, you have to just yes. And now it also asks for every time. Okay, so what you can do, just you can say no, and it asks for every time. Okay, so just you can press Ctrl C to stopping this. Now what you can do if you want to just delete by using the one, so you can use the in this manner. Either you can use the capital R here, or you can use this. These are same. So now this time you can see that it's just deleted forcefully. Okay. So here uh, I parameter is unused parameter because it's basically if you specify I parameter with I, it did not ask for any time. Okay, because f is f parameter f option gets the priority over I. So that's it. So now in this manner you can able to delete the etc. Okay. Now you can also use the rmdir for removing this. Like here you can use the mkdir command for creating a directory also. So like here just I want to create the etc. Okay. Now just created the etc. But now this time etc is a blank. So if you use the rmdir command by deleting etc, it is able to delete. But what happened when etc has some files like just create One more time, by using mkdir command, you are able, it's stand for make a directory command. Okay, so just I created the etc here. Now just I am changing directly to etc and lsc. I use the ls command and also I am using ls hyphen a. So there is no file here present, no file is present here. So now just what I want to do, just I want to create a file. So you can use the touch command. Okay, for creating the blank files. If you want to just create a file with some content, then you can use the nano or vi. Like here I am giving the vi file 1.txt. Okay, it shows. Now if you are not aware with vi or vim command, then vi and vim are basically same. So extended vi is known as vim. Okay, basically Beam is the updated version of Vim. So now it's open this prompt. Now you have to go into the insert mode. For going into the insert mode, you have to press I here. Now here you are free to writing anything. Like here, just I am writing this is basic Linux tutorial. Okay. Now what we need to do? Just we have to press the escape key on your keyboard. Okay. Now just we have to, if you want to just save this, then you have to write W here after pressing colon. Okay. And here, if you want to quit also, then you have to do Q. Okay. And if you want to just quit without saving, then you have to write in this one Q exclamation mark or quitting with overriding. Okay. So just I want to write and quit. It means I just want to save this information. So just WQ, and now you can use the cat command. Okay, cat command is basically very widely used for reading the content of any file, but it's also many options. So like here, just I want to cat this. Now this show the content of this file 1.txt. Okay, so if let we create one more file here. One more file is like just we want to create okay by using the Vim. Just I am going to create one more file, which is the file 2.txt. Okay, just go into the insert mode by pressing I, and now write this is file 2. Okay, just escape, press escape, and press colon and WQ for saving it. Okay, now just we save. Now you can also use the same command for reading the file 2.txt. Now this is saying this is file 2. Now we will see the what happened with cat. Now what we can now we will see the power of cat command. Basically, cat command can concatenate these two files. Okay, basically it will append the, like if we here here I will introduce to, with one important thing, that is redirect operator. Okay, so this is known as redirect operator. Okay, and now just I want to merge these two files. It means I want to just merge the file. Just want to merge the content of file 2 with the file 1. So what I will do, I will just write file 2.txt. Okay, now just try to get the file 1 content. Okay, this is the basic Linux tutorial. It's showing this is basic Linux tutorial, but it is not able to merge these two files, or it's not able to merge the content of file 2. So why it's not able to? It means we are doing any mistake. So because command is same, Okay, basically, it do the same, but I just um, forget to tell you. Like it's basically I have to I just redirected the file one content to the file two. So every time like I just redirected it to three times by using the command. So it's just basically appended the content of file one three times here. Okay, so now just if you want to append it one more time, so you can just use this time. Now you are able to just get the file to dot txt here. Now you are able to see that now this four time we will append in the content of file one to file two. Okay, this means we are just redirecting all the contents to the file two dot txt. All the contents of file one dot txt will be go to the file two dot txt. Okay, so this is the just overall idea. Now, in the same manner, you are able to merge. Now, you can just also able to override. Like if you want to override the file 2 with the content of file 1, just you can use the simple redirect. So now just try to get the file 2.txt. Now this time you are able to see the file 2 dot all content of file 2.txt is replaced by the content of file 1.txt. Basically, it's override the file. Okay, so this is the basic use of cat command. Okay, now cat command also has some options, so I will like to show those options also. Like here, you can use that. Like here, if you want to use the no blank option, then you can use the hyphen B. If you want to just show the int, then you can use hyphen E, hyphen capital E. Just you want to show the number of all output line, then you can specify the hyphen N. You can just use the hyphen S for squeezing the spaces. So these are the some options which you can use. Like here, just let you just press Q here. Now go to this. And now just we want to show the line also like line number. So here you can just display the icon there. Now you can see that it's showing the line number also like here one is shown here. But here if you see the this command output here no line number is shown. So these are you can use back options as per your need. Now just I am moving on. Now one more important command is echo command. So basically what echo command will do, so if you just echo this, then what this is doing, just is it echoing the its supplied content to the console. Okay, it means to the it displaying the content to console. So what echo command is also very useful. Like we can directly use the redirect operator to redirecting this to any file. Like here, just I am redirecting, and it this time it will override. Like in this manner, just I am redirecting this hello to sorry file2.txt. Now just try to read the content of hello file2.txt. Now you see that it's basically overridden with the file.txt by using the echo command. Okay. Now what happened when we just trying to merge? It means when you try to append. So it means you have to use the redirect operator two times. Now just like here you can hello this is my second line. Okay, now just hit enter. Now just set the file to txt. Now you can see that now this time it's just appended to this console data is just appended to this file. Okay, in this manner, so you are able to write to the files without opening it. Okay, so if someone asks you how you can just write some content in a file without opening this, so you can just say you can use the echo command for achieving the same. But use of echo command is also very wide, so you can just write the it's very widely used in the during the scripting. So this is the command which I want to show. So this is the general use case of echo, but you can also see the many more options available in echo command. Okay, and just I want to move to the let's like I show the okay okay now just what you can do that like you if you want to just copy I already show the copy command but here one more time just if you want to copy more than one file so how you can just do it so you have to specify like in the manner like if you want to copy the etc and also some like want to copy the opt to where now just you have to specify the destination now this will be counted as source and now write mode is counted as the destination like if you want to just copy it in the current directory so you can use the just dot for the current directory so it's saying the cp hyphen r not spread omitting directory so what this means you have to use the hyphen r option for specifying you are copying the carefully because you are just not copying a simple file okay these are the directory having some data so you have to use the hyphen r parameter here okay now just to be what is the meaning of this cp command is like just we copied the etc directory along with its data and opt directory along with data to the present working directory. Okay, dot represent the present or current working directory. So now just use the ls hyphen l command. You see, yes. Now you are able to see that etc and opt are copied here. Okay, so in the manner you are able to use the cp command. If you are copying just simple files, then you don't have to specify the hyphen r. Okay, but if you are just copying the directory having some data, then you have to use the hyphen r parameter. Okay. Now one more thing, just you have some files like I have some configuration files, and just you want to select the top 10 lines, then there is a command which is a top command. Okay. Like you can use the like file one, file two have only one line of content. So just I am reading, just I am kidding here. So if you okay, what is saying? Unknown option, yes. Okay, just we have to use this. So why this is showing this? Because I forget about this. Basically, we are using top like top command just to the all the top processes. I just forget about that. Just I I thought it is a like which command. I just thought it is a head command. So that's why just I got confused with this. So top command basically shows the top 10 top running processes. Okay. So it's all about the process management. But this is the also basic command. You can just include this. And I'm really sorry. I just my mind got blessed vanished, so that's why I just forget about the top command. Top command is very important command. It's basically showing the process ID user and present residential memory, nice value, virtual memory, resident memory, residential memory, and many more options like CPU memory, time, command also. Also, it's have many options. So I will already uploaded this complete video of top command. You can just check out. Now just you have to quit by using the Q. Okay, just I quitted with top. So I just want to like here why I am using these. Uh, I am just talking about the this command, not I am talking about the top command, but just I miss you can say misspell that. Okay, so the head command basically shows the top 10 um, lines of any specified file. It is very useful during the reading of very uh, large size of file. Okay, so you can when you have to read those file, those configurations file, then you can use that head command. Like if I want to show, then just go to the etc and we will read. Let's see here. There are many configuration file. Let here just I want to read the yum configuration file. So just I can use the head command here. Like I want to just read the top 10 lines of this yum.conf. So just it's showing the top 10 line. It means if this is showing all, it means it's showing all the line because I'm damn sure its total content is this. So it's useful only when you have the large file size. Okay, so what we can do, we can just we can just use the head command with knowing the information of etc pass wd. So I am damn sure because it's more than 10 lines. So now just we are it's showing the top 10 lines of this file like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. But when you just normally get this etc pass wd, so it will show all lines like it has multiple lines. Okay, so we just got confused. Just to go into the full screen mode. So now you can see that it has multiple lines. So what head command will do, head command will just show the top 10 lines, and in the same manner you can use the tail command also. Like tail command will just show the bottom 10 line. Okay, like here etc past the. So now you can see that now this is showing the bottom 10 line. Here you can also verify that. Okay. And also these have options, um, multiple options. Like if you want to just read the log file, okay, like of any like all log file are located at where log, and just I want to show the log of Chrome. So just you can find them. It's saying no files remaining. Okay, it means okay. Now you can see that log of Chrome. Now it's showing the last 10 line. Also, it's here you can say that it's blinking here. Okay, it means it's just watching it. If some any changes is occurred here, then it will show us. So okay, so tail command is also very widely used for reading the log because it consistently watching. If any change is occurred, then it will show here. Okay, it's very useful for monitoring the logs. Okay, so this is the use case of tail command. Okay, we move to our next command like here. If you want to quit from here, you have to press Ctrl C. Now Just you can use the ps-ef command to showing all the processes of your system. If you want to just show for current user, then you can use the ps. And also, if you want to just show for any specified user, then here you can use the ps-u option. Like it's showing the roots all processes. And also here, if you want to just show the processes of Saurabh, then to it showing like Saurabh is not logged in and Saurabh is not having any process this time. Okay, and I will already show the top command. So just I am not showing for now. You can also use the top command for monitoring purposes. Call top command has many options, but also ps command has many options, but just I am not showing because this is the not deep dive video. This is the just a basic part. Okay, now what you can also do, just if you want to sort any file, then you can also use the sort command here, like sort command followed by like uh, possibility. So it will sort in which order it's sorted. Basically, it's sorted in alphanumeric order. Okay. So if alphabets are available, then it will sort in alphabetically. If alphanumeric is available, then it sorted according to alphanumeric. And if numeric is only numeric data is available, then it will sort in numeric order. Okay. And always its default format is like here, hyphen r parameter is also can be used for reversing the sorting order. Okay. So it just reverses the sorting order. So now one more important command, like if you want to kill. Okay, like if you use the ps command here. Okay, now it's not showing. Now just we launch the Firefox. Okay, Firefox in background. For background, launching it in background, we can use the and now we can just use the ls, not ls, yes command. Yes, I can use. Just you can use the ps command. Okay, so it's showing this is the process ID. Now it's launched basically. So just go on the activities and show the command. Click on command line. Okay, now it's showing Firefox is launched. So if you want to just kill this Firefox, then we can use the kill followed by the PID of Firefox. Like PID of this is you can copy and paste and you can just kill it. Okay. Now just we terminated the Firefox. Like here you can see that terminated Firefox. Okay. So kill command is used for terminating the any process. Okay. One more thing is like if you want to just like I want to read about some specific pattern in etc passwd. Then there is a pipeline operator is available. So what is doing, what this pipeline operator will do, which is basically it's just uh, what this will do. It's basically pass. What is the user pipeline? Basically, it passes some data to another one. It means it passes some data to source to destination. So source is the this file, and like here you want to just grep. Okay, hyphen I are case insensitive. Like I just want to grep the store of information. So just it will show the only line containing store of, because we know um etc passwd is very large file which contain the many record, but I just want to show the store of record. So just it shows me the store of record. Okay, so in the manner you can see that. And also like one more thing, if you want one more last basic command will be the find command. Like if you want to find any data, some data, and you did not know the exact location of that, so you can use the find, like find, and just I want to find it in root directory. Okay, root means I just want to search in complete system, and here you can just give the name or size. Okay, just I am searching by using name, like I just want to search the kernel file. So just you can use the kernel followed by the asterisk. It means asterisk means anything that is started with kernel and ended with anything. Just you have to search that. So now just it started finding. Okay, it will search for many data. Okay, now you can see that it's, it shows me all the location where this kernel file is located. Okay, so in the same manner you can find anything which you can wish. Okay, as per your need. So that's it for the basic Linux command. One more command I want to just show, which is the chmod command. Okay, chmod command is basically used for changing the permission. Like okay, just cd to root. Yes, here pwd. Now you are in root. So just I would like to the ls hyphen I. Okay, where's ls hyphen l. Okay, I just want to see the F1. So now you can see that read route is there, our owner, and just if you want to change the permission, any permission. Also, I uploaded the detailed video on the same. But for now, just you can say that if you are just want to change the permission of any file, then you can use the chmod command. So chmod command is also basic command. So just I would like to like here if you want to give the read write execute to everyone, like this section represent the owner, current owner, and this section represent the group owner, and this section represent the others. And this what this means 777 means I just want to give the read write execute permission to everyone. So just in the manner just you can use the ls-l. Okay, ls-l f1. Okay, now this time you can see that just I change the read write permission to like now current owner user has read write execute permission, and also group owner has read write execute permission, and other also have read write execute permission. Okay, on F1 file. So it's also changed to the green now this time. Okay, so in the by using chmod command, you are able to change the permission. So this command are in very in depth, but just I introduced you how you can just change the permission. Like if you want to just give the like just you want to give the read permission to the group and other users. So just you can use the 744. Okay, now you can use the SIL F1 to show command. Now you can see that now group owner and also group member and also other have only read permission on that F1. Okay, they are not able to write or execute that. Detailed video is already uploaded on my YouTube channel, so you can just watch that. Okay, this is just basic so that you are just aware with all these things. Okay, so that's it for this video. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit on like button and also subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay, thanks. Thank you, friends. Have your time.